Setcrete Deep Base floor leveling compound is designed for applications where floor levels need to be raised quickly and economically. Pour 3.4 litres of cold, clean water into a clean mixing bucket and gradually add all the powder, stirring with a power whisk fitted to an electric drill until a smooth, creamy and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 2 minutes, scraping the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is mixed. Do not add further water, and do not mix more material than can be applied in 20 minutes. When applying the material at depths greater than 15 millimeters, it is advisable to reduce the water content to 3.2 litres to provide a thicker consistency to prevent separation of the mix. After priming the subfloor with Setcrete acrylic primer, pour the mixed material onto the prepared subfloor and allow to flow and attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. The mixed material should be applied at thicknesses between 5 and 50 millimeters in one application. Ceramic and textile floor coverings can be installed directly on Setcrete Deep Base floor leveling compound from approximately 6 hours at 20 degrees Celsius. However, when vinyl floor coverings are to be installed, Setcrete Deep Base should be capped with a suitable Setcrete floor leveling compound and should be left for a minimum of 24 hours prior to installing the floor covering. Setcrete Deep Base has a walk-on time of approximately 3 hours.